Hey everyone, hello everybody. Welcome to today's video. It's been a very long while, but we're going to go straight into topic. So, do you have any video editing skills? Maybe basic skills or intermediate or advanced skills, and you want to see if you can start making money from these skills, right? Okay, don't worry, I've got you. So in this video, I am going to show you my screen, and I'm going to tell you, or rather show you, the different ways that people are making money and that you can also make money. So of course, we know that there are different levels of or types of video editing, so to speak. There's a short form video editing, and that style is different, quite all right. There's the long form video editing. there that style is also different. There are the people who do promo videos. That style is different. So for whatever style that you're quite conversant with, I'm assuring you that you can make money on Fiverr using that skill. Okay, so right now I'm going to be looking at my screen so you can see my screen, and I have already typed in video editing in the search bar on Fiverr. And so I also filtered to Nigeria. I always try to bring it home so that if you're Nigerian, which most of my subscribers are, if you're Nigerian, you can see for sure that this is not me telling you cock and bull stories. These are things that are happening to people that are like us, look like us, answer our names, right? So this is it. Okay, so now basically I just typed video editing in the search bar and filter to Nigeria. I didn't actually filter any level. I'm going to do that later, but for now, these are the first people that came up on the screen on the first page. And if you want to, if you're confused about how to create gigs like this, I already have a video that I explained how to do that. Keywords are very important, okay? Keywords are very important. So note that, and then notice that for these video editors, they are they have more videos on their screen, right? Because that's kind of their niche. So you're supposed to show what you're capable of. Okay. So this person, for example, is doing more of short form content, which is shorts and reels and those kind of content. You'll notice that normally the orientation of the video, of the that particular tool, this particular feature, is 16:9. And so he found a very smart way, by the way, of making sure he puts different shots into one orientation, that's 16:9, so that he's actually maximizing this space. Okay, so he's into short form content. So for people who nowadays, short form content, my video editor, all you need to do is just to import your long form content, and it's going to split it into shorts. Okay, so nowadays short form content doesn't even take too much money. You just need to find an app that you can remove the watermark from, or find a way to remove watermark, and that is that. Okay, this person does editing for multi-camera interviews. So if people who have, so you can imagine people who have different cameras are doing podcasts and all of that, he's saying that, oh, he's capable of doing those different, merging them into one whole beautiful seamless video. Okay, this person does post-production, and from this video snippet you can see that they are kind of doing promo videos. That's what I can see from this snippets of this video, right? So whatever kind of video you want to do, I'm just going to take a look at this person doing the short form content, and we're also going to look for YouTube editor. I'm also going to look at this person. Just note that this, you can imagine this short form content person has gotten up to 180 reviews, which means they have done this service for nothing less than 180 times. 180 times. And imagine that they are saving $15 for each, just minimum $15 for each. And so, my dear, do not sleep on this. Sherry, that's how they say it. So, okay. These are the other type. I'm also going to look at this. So let's see how. Let's open this up. Now I look at this. You can imagine. Can't you see the person's video?
Remember when I found my perfect apartment? I really liked it, but when I actually moved in, I realized I'm very bougie. I do not want all the headaches that come with an older home. I immediately started looking for places to live. The very first place that I ended up looking at, I liked the proximity.
So you can imagine how this person is really doing well, and see how good the type of good reviews this person is getting. Jay did a great job on my DJ mix. He made a lot of cuts between cameras and even zoom shots, which would have taken me a very, so you can imagine he has very good reviews. So see what he's um trying to say. um this is what he's doing. He's saying if you already have a video and you want to resize it into vertical format, he can do it for you. Then if you want to convert horizontal clips into vertical size, he can also do it for you. And if you want to convert any size clips to IGTV or TikTok or IG real size, he can do it for you. Okay. So look at his terms and condition. This guy is in Nigeria, like all of us. He started in 2022, according to his Fiverr profile. Maybe that was just when he started his Fiverr profile. So see, this is, he's even charging for B-rolls. If you want B-rolls in your videos, he's charging extra for it. Okay, so you guys, these are ways you can actually make money. So you notice one thing, notice that these people are niching down. It's easier. So this person is using Grey's Anatomy clip here, and what kind of video he's making? YouTube videos, right? So he's saying he will do video production, post production, YouTube video editing. So he also listed other types of videos that he can do: promo, video ads, fitness footage, films, real estate, blah blah blah. And this person is in this same Nigeria that all of us are in. And you can imagine this person started April of last year, and this person already has 44, if I'm not mistaken, 44 reviews on their site, right? On this particular gig. Yeah, see, 44 reviews, and his minimum is $60. Talk about someone who knows what they are worth. Okay, and they're not even charging for color grading in this one. In the minimum offer, just a 2-minute video edit with add-ons tailored. This is wonderful, and this person is doing it. Okay, so you guys, this is another way that you can make money. So you can look at every other person documentaries, look at these other for wedding footages, look at whatever. If you're already a video editor or you're a cameraman that you do camera kiniko in real life, or you're a video editor, you can add this to your as your side hustle. See, this person does video podcast editing. Okay, let's take a look at this video podcast, and this is a screenshot of what the person has done. You guys, you can see, and they are charging as minimum of $30. So please, please, please look at. Okay, so for portfolio, I'm sure they've added some of the things they've done. So, anyways, that's what I wanted to show you. People are doing it. There are so many people. See, this is, let's take a look at. There are 1,138 services for video editing, and this is for my filter, Nigeria. So I don't know where you are in Nigeria, what you are doing, or what exactly. Oh, sorry, this is even level 1. I wanted to check new seller. I don't know what you're doing in Nigeria, or what is it that's holding you, keeping you from starting. Please do. This is this is a filter for people who just started, new sellers. New seller is a level 0 on Fiverr in Nigeria. This person has already gotten this number of reviews. You guys, please just close your phone, get up your laptop and create a gig on video editing if you have that skill. You don't have to be the best. Just figure out how you do it. You can even watch my previous video of how to create a gig. So you use the correct keywords so that people will see you. And that is it though. See, this person already has just won. And trust me, it's not difficult. So if I were this person, looking at this analysis that I just did now for everybody who is in this video editing space, I noticed that they have videos similar to the type of services they are offering. So instead of using a poster, I can still put the poster as my second, not as my primary image. If you go to Fiverr, you understand what I mean. So as my primary image or art here, it will be a short clip, but then the second ones will now be video. It can now be things like this. It would help if I was this Stefania. It would help my work well, because notice all of this. Everybody here has videos, even if it's your video, even if it's not your video. The other person that had Nancy Sime or something, can't remember her surname, had, I'm probably, I'm allegedly saying it might not be his work, but even if it's not, nobody will kill you as long as you find a way to cut and join so that it's not copyright. So it's not a copyright problem. Please do it and post it here. Okay, so you guys, that's that for today. Thank you very, very much for listening, and see you next time. Thank you.